Okay guys, welcome back. This is Tavy. This is gonna be another edition of my spend it or save it, or save it or spend it. It's basically where I'm gonna go down my Instagram. I think it's Trend Mood, who posts all the hot new outcoming makeup, and let you guys know what's coming out and what I'm gonna be, if I'm gonna be spending a coin or saving a coin. And you guys can let me know in the comments if you're planning on picking up any of these things. Are you gonna be spending a coin or saving a coin? So the first thing I want to talk about is Too Faced. Too Faced has got head start on the game when it comes to talking about holiday packaging, baby. They have been releasing photos, teasers, and they got some nice. Now Too Faced have some nice packaging, but don't let the Too Faced holiday packaging fool y'all, because some of this stuff Too Faced be having out for holidays don't be great, but the holiday packaging be cute. So I'm gonna kick it off with Too Faced is coming out with, I'm not going to talk about anything that I talked about in past videos. So they've got a new holiday lip bundle. I think they come out with a holiday lip bundle every year. The last year, it was the Melted Matte bundle. If I can get my hands on that bundle, I'm going to buy it. Also, let you guys know Too Faced is having a massive sale on their website right now. I don't know when this video is going to be up, but it's right now. But it's a holiday lip bundle. It looks cute or whatever. I think it's lip gloss. I'm going to be passing on that. I'm just not into that bundle. It looks like they're also going to be coming out with looks like maybe like that, you remember that Pat the Puss highlighting thing that they came out with, like a body highlighter or whatever. It looks like they're going to be coming out with another one of those. And then of course you already know they're coming out with the the gingerbread extra spicy palette. But they're also going to be coming out with, looks like a mini palettes and mini palettes. A really great formula I heard, and it's going to be the hot buttered rum palette. Now this is going to be a spin a coin for me. I'm gonna definitely try to pick up the hot buttered rum mini palette. It looks great. I would love to try out the mini palette formula, see if it's the same thing. So that's gonna be a spin a coin to me. The rest of that stuff is gonna be a save a coin for me. I'm not gonna pick that up, but I may pick up that Christmas star palette. It looks like they're also coming out with I don't think they released the name of it, but on here it looks like a little house, gingerbread house, and it says it's the season to sparkle, with like a little mini palette in it. I mean, that looks cute. I think they're also coming out with something in the form of, it looks like an angel or a snowman or something, another palette. Too Faced is coming out with so much holiday stuff. I can't keep up. I cannot keep up with it. So you guys check that out. Let me know if that's gonna be a save a coin, a spin a coin. KKW fragrance are gonna be coming out with some new fragrances. Looks like a trio in the shape of lips. So that's going to be a save a coin for me, because I'm not in the market of buying any new fragrances. I have a few fragrances that I love and I adore. So let me know if you guys are going to be saving a coin or spending a coin. That's going to be a save a coin for me. The next item we have is coming up. It looks like, is this Same Cosmetics? Somebody, I don't know who is coming out with this gorgeous, it's beautiful. It's a gorgeous Disney Sleeping Beauty collection. I mean, it looks beautiful, but it's going to be a save a coin for me, because Sleeping Beauty was one of my favorite movies. And also, I mean, it's a beautiful collection, but it just doesn't speak to my soul at this point in time. Now, if I had a daughter, maybe a teenage daughter or something, I would purchase it for her. I think I would definitely purchase it for a teenage daughter, but me as a grown woman, that's not something I'm looking for. That's going to be a save a coin for me. It looks very beautiful though. Fenty has came out with their new brow products. It's brow pencil, ultrafine brow pencil. I seen a review on this on Ashley Rose's YouTube. Unfortunately, this is going to be a save a coin for me. I have brow pencils that I'm love, and until I go to through some of those that I have, I'm not going to be picking up any new. But if you are in the line for a new brow pencil and you want to try Fenty's, you can. Let me know if you guys are going to be saving a coin or spending a coin. That's just going to be a save a coin for me. Oh, Too Faced is also releasing, of course we already know about the gingerbread bronzer, but they have this new palette in brush combo. It looks like it's called the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Palette. And to me, that looks fallish. And it's got some great colors in there. But that's just going to be a save a coin for me. It's not something I'm going to be purchasing. I'm not interested in it. But it looks like a good palette. I mean, it's got some nice colors in there. But I don't know about Too Faced formula for that palette. Because sometimes Too Faced will trick you around the holidays. So what we have next is going to be... oh, Pat McGrath. We love Auntie Pat, don't we? I own one of Pat McGrath's palette. It's a mini palette. I got it on sale for Ulta. But Pat McGrath is coming out with a new palette. And to me, this palette has two colors, 2 to 3, 4 colors that I would be interested in. You all know that Pat McGrath's full-size palettes retail for $125. And I have never seen them on sale, but you can pick them up during Sephora's VIB Rude sale. You can get that 15, that 10, that 20, whatever you qualify for % off of her palettes. Of her full-size palettes, I haven't seen them on sale. Now, the minutes they did go on sale at one point. That's going to be save a coin for me. Although I love the look of this palette and I love Pat's formula, $125 for, looks like 12 shades. I feel like that's going to be a save a coin for me because I can get palettes that cost less with the great formula with more colors. It's just not in bodies with Octavia that works hard for her money. It's going to purchase. I'm not going to buy it. I work too hard for my money to spend $125 on 12 colors. I'm not going to get it, Pat. But I feel like the formula is going to be bar none. So if it's going to be something that you are into or that you think you may enjoy, please, by all means, purchase it. It does really look good. The packaging is awesome. Can't get better packaging. Also, Colorpop has already released the new peach palette, a whole peach collection, like they do with every palette that they release. That's the one color they release the whole entire collection. With it, this is gonna be a safer coin for me, just because I'm just not right now. I'm not into it, but I do know Colorpop is gonna have a sale coming up, and when that sale come up, I'm gonna hit you guys up on my Instagram. I will be making a purchasing on their website for a sale. So it's just not gonna be that. The next item we have coming up is the Colored Rain Times Power collection. Now, I'm a Power fan. I'm a Power fanatic. I love Power. It's one of my favorite TV shows on television, but this collection does not speak power to me. It does not look like a powerful palette. It does not look like a powerful collection. It does not speak to my soul. It does not speak to the show. I don't see Tasha wearing this bright pink and this purple. I don't think Tasha would wear it. I just don't think it. I just don't see it. To me, it's just a basic palette, and they put the power on there to sell it. And actually, I'm disappointed, because had this been a better collection, it could have been a spin a coin for me, because this collection has disappointed me and was put together very poorly. Couldn't have been put together by a fan of the show, because a fan of the show would not put together something like this. This is going to be a save a coin for me. It's very disappointing. I'm disappointed. I'm still gonna watch the show, but I'm disappointed in this collection. It's not fake, girl. The next product we have, okay, so we know that Benefit has already released their highlighters, their new individual highlighters, Cookie and Tickle. I already spent the coin on Cookie. I'm gonna be saving the coin on Tickle, but Cookie is a very good highlighter. I love it. If you guys are in the market for a new highlighter, I would definitely invest in that highlighter. It's a good highlighter. If it speaks to your soul, pick it up. I promise you, you won't be disappointed in the formula. And Norvina is coming through the ABH. Anastasia Beverly Hills is going to be releasing the Norvina palette. I think it's a Norvina collection. But what they're going to be doing, I think, is this is going to be a higher end palette, the Norvina collection. I feel like she's going to periodically produce palettes to go along in this collection. I'm interested to know what the price point is going to be for this palette. To me, this palette looks like some of the palettes that they've already released combined. Like, she picked different shades out of some of those palettes that's already been released. and put them in this one palette for a higher end price. Now, these are my personal opinions. I know shade to Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love some of their stuff. It's just that this palette in particular is going to be a saver coin for me, because I think she's going to try to price this palette up there with Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath. The quality may be there. I have no doubt the quality is going to be there, but those colors are not speaking to me. Those colors are not speaking to my soul. I have colors like this. So this is going to be saver coin for me. Would you guys comment down below and let me know if you're going to be picking up the Norvina palette? It's just going to be a saver coin for me. Maybe later on, if it goes on sale, I may pick it up. I don't want to just be like, oh, I'm not going to buy any of this stuff, because let's be honest, if it goes on sale, I'm likely to pick it up. I'm more of a sale shopper. But I do buy some stuff for full price, but I'm very picky about the stuff I buy for full price. This is not going to be something that I'm going to be picking up full price. Besides, you guys already know that I'm on a low buy slash no buy, which we see how this going, huh? I just had a haul. Bebe Cosmetics is coming out with another Brazil type palette. It's a very colorful palette. It's a beautiful palette. It's gonna be a saver coin for me, just because I'm not in the market for a palette like that. But I think it's a very beautiful palette, and if you're gonna be interested in purchasing it, then I think you should. It also has that pink and that purple. Can we get away from this pink and this purple? But that's gonna be a saver coin for me. Too Faced has also released a new palette. I wanted this to relaunch, because I thought before they released a watermelon palette, but it's a watermelon palette. This is gonna be a saver coin for me. I have no interest in this palette. It's just not for me. This is gonna be a saver coin for Octavia. Too Faced is just out here trying to rake up all the coins. MAC is coming out with the new blue shimmer lipstick for the holidays of 2019. That lipstick looks pretty. It's great. The packaging is great, but not necessarily the packaging, but the lipstick itself looks great. Looks very blue. But this is gonna be a saver coin for me, because not too often I wear a blue lip. I don't think I own a blue lipstick. It's just not speaking to Tavia. So this is going to be a saver coin for me. Last but not least, Fenty is coming out with some new matchsticks. Look like they may be some highlighters and some blushes. This is gonna be a saver coin for me. I only have, I think, one matchstick, and I got that in that bronze duo from Fenty. I don't love it. The matchsticks, they're not gonna be for me. So this is gonna be a saver coin. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Could y'all comment down below if you're gonna be making purchasing any of these new items? Let me know. Send me pictures. Tag me on my Instagram. Please make sure that you subscribe to my Instagram, polished_beauty Tavia. I will link it below. Thank you guys.